Welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to tell you a little bit about something that is a new feature that is in Adobe Express that I absolutely love, and it's called Text to Template. Now, if we're looking at Adobe Express, right here, there's an option that says Text to Template, and what it does is it does exactly what the name implies. It lets us make a template from simply typing in content. So, if I say flyer promoting an astronomy class and hit generate, it's going to generate a flyer for my astronomy class without me even having to do any work. Here you can see that it's given me 4 different designs and I can choose from which one I like. I think I'm going to go with this one right here, and it will actually create the template without me doing any work. Once it's created, I can click on things and change them. So for example, here where it says hands-on telescope observations, maybe I just wanted to say telescope observations. I can double click on that content and then select that type and delete out the content that I don't want. If I want to, I can also take that content and move it. Let's say I don't like the background. I can click on that background image, go up here to replace, and choose a new image. So I'm going to type in astronomy, and then select a different image from the list. Once I'm finished, I can come up here to download, and download a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. I can also select share, and invite other people to work on it. So if I'm working collaboratively with another professor or students working together, I can add their emails in and they can work on it with me. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.